Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. Today I am filming a bedroom transformation. I've been waiting to do this and decorate my room forever, honestly. So I'm excited. We're just gonna get straight into it. So first I'm gonna include some clips of how my room looked originally, aka for the past like 2 years, year and a half to 2 years. This is how my room looked. Very basic. The goal honestly was just to have my room be more homey, more warm vibes, because I feel like it just gave very cold. I don't know. But then the holidays came around this year, or I guess last year, 2023. And I decided to decorate my room for the holidays. So here are all the holiday vibes. I have all the holiday decor up and it looked really good. I loved that and it definitely gave more warm. And I still have some of the holiday decor up right now, even though we're like halfway through January. So today we're gonna be getting rid of all that. We're gonna be decorating my room how I really want it to look. If you guys watched my last video, you would see that I even had a little art project and made some art for my room. So I've been planning this. We've been getting into it. So I'm super excited. The room, I'm gonna need you guys' help. So you guys are gonna have to wait till the end of the video, see how everything turns out. I definitely have some more space that I wanna fill, but I don't know what to put in the blank space. Okay, so we are in my bathroom. Also, I forgot to say the theme for my room in the bathroom is black and white. So we brought out the big boy tripod, but we moved over here and I want to hang a shelf above my toilet. I found a stud finder. The confidence is not that high, but like I feel like I could do it. Also gotta record this for TikTok. Why am I stressed? What's in the hole? Not one stud on this wall. Okay, cool. Now what? Okay, so I give up. I'm trying to figure this out myself. We're just gonna do the things I can do, and we're gonna try to call in some reinforcements for the things that I can't.
Living a fantasy, I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies as pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look like, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look like, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look like, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look like. Too good. I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm having sex. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline.
Little update. I think we're pretty much done with the bathroom for now. So let me show you guys where we're at. We got the shower curtain up, which I love. We put the new black mats down. We have my little wipes holder. These still need to go up on the wall. These are my pictures and the frames. And then this is a shelf. I'm gonna be putting up there. I'm gonna have some stuff on the shelf. These pictures, there are 4. They're gonna go above my hand towel, which I also put up. I put the second one on top. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me know. But I'm gonna put the pictures up there. They're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I kind of feel like I should put like a black pillow on this chair. I feel like I need more black. This is not gonna stay here though. This goes on my dresser in my actual room. So we moved over to the room. We're done with the bathroom for now. I'm also just realizing that I don't really have anything in my room to decorate. We're gonna take down this garland and see how the pictures are gonna look for real. Wow, it looks so bare. Now for my art, once again, if you watched my last video, you would have saw me make these. So let's determine the order we want to put them in. How's that look? Wait, I think I like it just like that. I think I like that order. Well, that's that. Obviously, they're gonna be hung up higher onto the wall, but ooh, I like it. Okay, well now I'm just gonna wash my sheets and I'll be back when we're actually making my bed. I don't really have much of an update to give today, but I did end up putting all the pictures into my frames. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get everything hung up, honestly, but I don't know if you can see this. You see right at the top of the picture frame, you can see through it because the picture is like a little small. Like, you see this slight little gap here? I don't like that. So what I did is these pictures came in this little pack, and there was also like a little piece of cardboard at the back to keep the picture straight. So what I did was I painted the pieces of cardboard. I just finished painting them black, and then I cut them into 4s, and I'm gonna put them in the back of all the picture frames.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a great chick, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, and still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love.
So just start.
Yeah, you can start. Nice, it's okay.
Oh,
You gotta keep going deeper.
really?
Oh, no, that's good, that's good. Keep deeper now. And then you should shoot it and then pull it out at the same time. It's okay, insulation's gonna come out, but here we go. That's it.
Bam.
That's it. Damn.
Ooh. Oh, okay, cool. That was easier.
Yeah, Gucci.
Wait, but I shouldn't touch that, right?
It's just
Does it
insulation.
actually make you itchy?
It could. It makes some people itchy. It depends on how old it is and stuff, but that's not gonna do anything. It's not bad. Good job, Todd. Like this. Thank you.
That was great. Let's do it again.
Fun, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if
I'm actually a pro.
Hey, be careful, bro.
Woo! Yay! Thanks, Denzel.
You're welcome.
better. Even in the rain, you gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, rock the fella. I put the me to you and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need, yeah. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need, yeah. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need, yeah.
I'ma take the stars out of the sky for you. There's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do. If I could be.
So that is it for this week's video, and that is it for my room transformation. For now, I'll still be adding some things here and there when I figure out what I want to put and whenever I find stuff that I want to put. But as of now, I'm really liking how it's looking. This little frame right here, love it. Bathroom, love it. But yeah, we'll still be adding some touches here and there, which if you guys keep up with the vlogs, you guys will probably see. I'll probably say it in the vlogs. So you should definitely subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you go, because it helps. But yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday with another new video. Bye.